Wait, this one, if you have subscribed to my channel already,
Any more comfortable than the car
I
seat?
will give this one away to the first subscriber and the first commenter. Like, cool video, funny video. I know we're see how fast this goes? Let's go. Let's go. It's huge, but still good. What's all? I know you see that.
Dude. Yeah, the house. But then we stopped eating Gulfport, went to Walmart. We take an hour off. We just now Pensacola. That's
And give away. I got cats for.
yeah.
I could put the gold caps on it, but I really don't feel like it.
What I'm saying, then how's the roll?
It's bad butt, dude. All the way down my leg. Like this.
We could be coming up on the Florida State line here in a minute.